are making wicking beds so that we can conserve water. Since California is in a drought, we don't want to have to waste any water, so the wicking beds are the most water-conserving garden.
It will have a pond in the bottom, and then the plants will be able to get it by themselves and not have us do it.
Instead of pouring water on top, it goes to the bottom, and if you pour water on top, it wastes water because it evaporates when it's hot. So if you water it from the bottom, it doesn't evaporate as quickly.
Yeah, this is better because it saves water instead of you have to use it. For most plants, you have to use a lot of water, but then this we could just save water and then use that water for more stuff.
The kids are absolutely amazing. Our vision is to have a space that kids can apply what they learn to solve real-world problems, and we have named it our learning habitat. And we want them to take that technology and apply it in a setting that they can learn about real life and where their food comes from and how to be sustainable.
So our students here at Sycamore Canyon, we try to encourage them to have what we call voice and choice, which means we give them opportunities to see what they would like to focus on. So what we do is we say, hey, we have this garden outside. Can you identify a problem? What do you see as the problem? So that's their voice and their choice. They get to choose what to do to try to help solve it.
It gives us hands-on learning activities so that it's easier for us to understand the environment so that in the future we can take care of it instead of just destroy it because we never actually learned about it.
The dreamer lives in you.